All right, so the strategy we're going to try right now is called concept circles. The basis of this idea is this knowledge that vocabulary in content isn't really understood until it's understood in concept with one another. I might know the definition of a word, but I don't know what it means until I understand how it relates to other words in concept. One way that we can practice it with students is something called concept circles. So in concept circles, and you have a copy of this, on the front you have an explanation, on the back you have some blank concept circles. They're just circles split into various numbers of pie pieces. And you'll have an example of a concept at the top and then some number of pie pieces in the circle. And the way it works is I might come up with an example that says a blank concept, and then I have the words density, mass, and conductivity. So what would the concept be? And then what would you fill in for extras? Or maybe, here's another example. Matter changing states. What are the names of the changes? And then they have to put them in there. So I've given you the concept, but none of the vocabulary words. Or maybe I might even do something like this. The concept is states of matter. The question is, what doesn't belong? And I have gas, deposition, liquid, condensation. What doesn't belong? So a concept of circle is simply a way for us to play with vocabulary in concept with one another. So give it a try. Go ahead and take your blank paper. Think of your vocabulary words that are under a concept and try at least 2 of these. Maybe leave the concept blank and add some of the vocabulary where someone would guess the concept, or maybe put the concept in and leave all the circles blank, all the pie pieces blank, or put some of the pie pieces in, or maybe make one what doesn't belong. Fill it in and trade and see what happens. And then brainstorm, of course, how you might use this.